Today I'll be showing you guys a crypto farming game that generates passive income and has the potential to make hundreds of dollars every single day. The game is called Sunflower Land, and how it works is you have two types of coins. The first one is the regular in-game currency, which are used to buy crops, and the second one is their native in-game coin, which can be cashed out into real money. You'll start out on a really small area and you're gonna have to build your way up over time. You buy some crops from Betty over here and then plant them in your farming area. Fast forward 3 minutes and our crops are done growing. So now we can go ahead and collect them and sell them for more coins than we bought it for. However, instead of selling these crops to the NPCs for in-game coins, if we go to this trading menu on our left, then we could actually sell some of our crops for real money. But if you go to the retreat and head over to this little goblin fellow, you can actually withdraw your sunflower coin, meaning that you can cash out your money at any time. So if you guys use the link in my description and then go to the play now button, then you should be led to a screen that asks you to sign in with your Phantom wallet. Now if you guys don't have one, it's super easy. You can go ahead and set up in the Chrome extension. But yeah, that's basically all you need to know about Sunflower Land. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to go ahead and smash that like button and the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss out on any new uploads. But anyway, you guys, I'll be seeing you all in the next one.